So from the video title, I'm going to show you how you can actually run everything you need to know, right? Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Telegram. This is our Telegram, and this is a testing group, right? So if you love to do this, what you need to do, you need to right click on each of the message, right? Click on the select. You go on and select all of them, right? And if you want to delete the history of this group, right, like you want to clear everything, this is what we're going to do. You're going to select all the messages you have previously sent in the group, right? Once you have selected all of them, you're going to gradually move down. You're going to see the delete. Click on the delete. You see this delete forward members. Click on it. Click on the delete, right? Once you are done, you see you have cleared the history, right? You have deleted history. So this is how you can do this. This video is basically for educational purpose only. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through, and I'll see you all in the very next one.